Hello guys, and happy Saturday to everyone. I hope you're doing fine, safe and healthy. And today I'm gonna make Indian dish. So this time I'm gonna show you on how I'll make my Rajma masala or Rajma curry. Rajma, it is an Indian language. In English we call it kidney beans. Okay, in India it's Rajma. So anyway, for this recipe, we will be needing the following ingredients. So I have here 2 green chilies, 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves. This is for garnishing. 2 tomatoes chopped, 1 large onion chopped, and we will be needing as well cumin seeds, half teaspoon, and a ½ inch of cinnamon stick, 2 bay leaves I have cut into 2. I have cardamom here, 2 of this, star anise 1, and 10 pieces of whole black pepper, and black pepper whole, there are 10 pieces of this, and 2 cloves. And of course we will be needing some Indian spices. So we will need Indian spices as well. I have here, actually this is in the morning, I actually boiled my rajma or kidney beans. So when boiling it, you will be needing 2 cups of kidney beans, 3 cups of water, and turmeric and salt. And when I'm using pressure cooker to boil my rajma, it's faster and it saves a lot of time, and of course gas. It saves lots of gas when you do the pressure cooker because it's quick, it's cooked quicker. And then I have pressurized this for 8 whistles. So you need 8 whistles for this. So for now I'll show you how I did my rajma. So as you can see, this is the one. This is ready-made one. This is already cooked. I cooked this in the morning. So this is fine. This is how it should be. 8 whistles. Okay. So now this is ready to go. I have a pan here, and I have to put oil. I'm using olive oil. You have cooking oil, that will be fine as well. So I'm putting here 2 tablespoons of olive oil. First let it get hot before we'll put our ingredients. And now the oil is heated up. It's time to put our masalas. So first, cinnamon stick inside, followed by cardamom, and star anise, black pepper, cloves. Literally, you have to dump everything. And after this, you can add your green chili and onion. And just saute until the onion gets translucent or like golden brown. Change the color into brown. Just saute this in a medium flame. And now I'm gonna add just about 1 teaspoon of pure ghee. Because pure ghee always gives a good flavor. For me, I prefer to use pure ghee. It really gives a nice flavor on your dish. now this is okay. Now we can put our ginger garlic paste, which is about 1 teaspoon. I forgot to mention this. We need this ginger garlic paste as well. Just saute for a few seconds. And now, on this stage, we can dump our tomato. So we just cook this about 2 to 3 minutes. So what I'll do to cook it faster, I want to cook it faster. So I'm gonna sprinkle a dash of salt. Just put a dash of salt. It will cook faster when you do that. And then just leave it until it becomes. And now this is ready. It's all cooked. Now it's ready to put our Indian spices. I'm putting here 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of gramasala powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. And we just have to cook this for about 1 minute. Mix well and saute for 1 minute. And now this is done. We have to put this in our pressure cooker inside. And give a good mix. And we'll put another 1/2 liter of water. Sorry, I was thinking of 500 ml of water. Yes, so another 1/2 liter of water inside, because we're gonna have this with rice. So I want something gravy in it. If you don't want rice with rice, if you will have a chapati, then you will be needing less of water, of course. Anyway, this will be fine for us. So we just boil this again and give a 1 whistle. Okay, so while our rajma is boiling, now we have to cook our fish fillet. So I have here a fish fillet. I'm using a dory fillet or dory fish. So I have marinated this with salt and lemon. So I have few pieces of this. This is 300 grams. So we'll have this along with the kidney beans, rice, and this fish. So now let's first cook our fish. In here we have, this is actually, guys, this is a breading mix. I have made this at home. I will share with you the measurements and what I mix in here. I'll show you in the description box. This is the same what I've used for the calamari. The same ingredients and the same mixture. The same measurement, sorry. So we just have to dip it here. This time I'm not gonna use egg. I just have directly to dip here. So now our kidney beans is done of boiling. Just only 1 whistle. We just have to remove this, and we'll open it later after we finish cooking our fish, because I just want to give them a little steam, because it will make so much noise when I open it by force. So I have here oil is heated up. Now it's time to put our breaded, this is a breaded fish fillet. So just have to dump it. Hi Isabella.
Hi.
How are you, baby?
Fine. See, I have a new dress with the change. You can see.
Isabella has a
New dress with the change colors.
wow.
What do you like, guys? This white one or this golden one? That's in the comments.
Which one? She said, which one you like? The white one
Or the golden one?
or the golden one? And
Let us know in the comments below.
yes. And now, this is okay. Cook now. Should golden brown. We're putting it here using kitchen towels so it will absorb the excess oil. She loves it. See, this is how it is. So now guys, I've done making my fish fillet. So this is looking so delicious. And now we have to check our rajma or kidney beans. Now let's check. See, as you can see, wow, it's nice color, as you can see. So this is the consistency of the water should be like this. So as you can see, very nice looking. And now in this stage, we can add our cilantro or coriander leaves. Just add it on. You have to add it, and then done. It's finished. This is finished now. So now we will do the plating. So now here it is. So now this is the food. Rice with rajma masala and with fish fillet or fish nuggets. So this is the recipe that I could able to share with you guys. So I hope you like my rajma curry or rajma masala. This is very easy to make and also very healthy as well. And then along with the fish nuggets, it's also delicious and a very nice combination. So I hope you enjoy my recipe today, and I'll see you to my next one. Bye!
Please like,